to trim this down to meet what's underneath. So what I need to do is shorten these bits so at least I can weld them together, and obviously weld down these bits as well. So here we go. Can you see that gap there? Somehow I can't leave that gap, because if I do, the water's just going to run inside the engine bay, and that's just rubbish. So I'm going to have to use a bit of brass or something to wedge in there, hopefully fill the gap, and then weld around the outside. More bits of old brass that I've got. Bits of old tap, these bits, I'm going to use them, wedge them in the hole. There you go. So I don't know if you can see this, I've just been on the grinder, bench grinder. I've got this and I've tapered this right down, and that kind of fits in there. What gave the end a bit of a point. I've polished it up so it's nice and clean, because I don't want the weld to splatter. We'll see. Let's give it a go. Well, it just looks like a blob of weld, obviously. Oh, I can see a bit of a gap there. So what I'm not going to do, can you see there's a hole just there where I haven't welded? What I'm not going to do is just weld that now, because more than likely I'm going to end up welding on top of this weld, and then I'll end up with even more to grind down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the finger sander out, sand this all down, and then I can weld that hole and then grind that weld down. I genuinely, there's no point welding on top of welds that you're going to grind down. But there you go. That's not too bad. I'm quite pleased with that. I might have to finesse this little weld along there through that repair. But basically it's all buttoned up now. This is the, what's that? That's the near side front wing for the Rally Mini. But as you can see, it's got a, what is that? That's an aerial hole, isn't it? And of course the side repeater hole, which is absolutely no good for a Mark II. Maybe the aerial hole. I don't know, did they have aerial holes back then? Anyway, I have made myself, that's my templates by the way, made out of card. There you go, but I've made myself some steel spacers. I'm going to put those into there, weld them up, grind them flat. Hopefully that will do the job. Definitely going to require a skim filler. But I'm learning.